We're joined by Congress parliamentarian Ms. Jyoti Mani. Ma'am, thanks much indeed for your time. Let me begin with you there. You were there inside. The Chief Minister was offering job offers to all the victims' families. What exactly happened? How did the Chief Minister?
It was a very emotional time. Both the people who are receiving the job order and as well as Chief Minister and rest of us in the dais, it's a very painful engagement from both sides. People who receive the orders were broken because at the cost of what they are getting order. Some people might be loved ones, they can live their entire lives. They might have built a lot of dream on them. They have memories which never be erased from their mind. So whenever they receive, whoever come to receive the order copy, they were broken. At some point of time, Chief Minister himself was broken and he couldn't control his tears. So rest of us also very difficult for us to control our emotions. Sort of very emotional and painful program I ever attend.
I understand. Ma'am, you're also from Karur. You know this better. Obviously, Karur incident did not have any electoral impact for Chief Minister Vijay there. But but he did draw flack for not visiting Karur immediately after this tragedy, and it took about 8 months for him to visit right now. There are lots of criticism that he is drawing even today. How do you respond to that?
See, he has multiple times TVK has explained this why they couldn't come to Karur after that incident. But after becoming a Chief Minister first decision was first program, government program should be in Karur. So after that only I will go to other districts. So that's what his decision. Before that he went to Trichy. Because he resigned his seat to thank the people, not a government program or a political program. This is the first time actually he wanted to come and see the people and support them as much as possible. Also, Chief Minister has given a lot of time with people who are individually also. He has given a lot of time. It's very. I think very important for the Chief Minister also, the people who are very close to his heart. Maybe he wanted to come now.
As you know, the incident is under CBI investigation. Don't you think these kind of job offers could actually influence the investigation there?
No, not. See, because I'll tell you why. There already inquiry has been conducted. SIT was formed first. People have testified in front of SIT and it was recorded. Then later CBI inquiry was ordered. Then people have testified, it was recorded. So people have multiple times testified already. I don't think this will have any impact on the inquiry. There is no reason for people to change it.
If you look at the Chief Minister's speech today, it was fully politically loaded. He went full throttle over the DMK government there. I just want to ask you, since you're a Congress parliamentarian in Delhi, India bloc is still trying to have DMK into the fold, into the India bloc fold. You have the Chief Minister, you're in alliance with the state government there, who's going full throttle over Sendil Balaji, other DMK, including former Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. Do you think that's still a possibility to have DMK and the TVK into the India fold?
See, we always aspire for good things because it's not about political parties anymore. It's about the country and its people. Because Narendra Modi government completely trampling upon the every process which support the democracy. Our elections are no longer free and fair. Instead of actually voter electing the government BJP, government of the day in the union government, electing the voters, that is called SIR. All the agencies been aimed at all the opposition party. Now you see there is mayhem unleashed in West Bengal. My friend Mehbooba Maitra went to her own MP office, was been attacked by the goons of BJP. She's a woman, she's vociferous, she's honest, she's fighting for people. But these people are throwing egg at her. So this is the situation in this country. In this extraordinary situation, every single exam has been compromised by the Narendra Modi government. So the entire future of this country is at stake. In such a point of time, it's very important for all of us to come together and fight. Our own politics in the state will be there. There is no way CPM and the Congress party can coming together in Kerala. There is no way. So like that, many political parties, we are confronting each other in our respective states. But despite that, in a larger cast, we have to raise above our politics. That's what India alliances keep trying.
One last question there, ma'am. TVK still hasn't officially joined the India bloc. Why there's a lot of waiting there? Is he going soft on the BJP there?
But I think it's very too early to make such kind of aspersion on the Chief Minister and the TVK. See, they're a new party and they elected very few weeks before. They need time to settle down. They have to understand. They have to understand the policy. They have to understand the state. They have to build the development and they have to build the narrative. They have to help people or whatever the promises they have been made. So they need some time. That's what I personally feel.
Thank you very much. It was such a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.